Good morning. This is Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the stock market and option volatility report. Reminder, this is for education purpose only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Hey, I know it's not updated yet, but this Thursday we're going to do an encore of managing risk using options. I will have the page updated in the next few minutes here, folks. Speaking of updated, how about this market? We're up about $8, but vol is getting smoked. Vol futures are taking it on the chin. Let me pull up the VIX complex here. Futures term structure has really steepened, and you can see all the futures are now back below, 20 and below 17, and appear to be just falling off a cliff. And with that, you can see the Qs are strong. I can delete this now. Delete this from my VXXB is taking the chin. I just kind of everything's getting punched. So the expectation is that we could just crawl here for a little bit. Vol could be slow, and the market could be slow, and that is kind of the way volatility is lining up. I'd point out VVIX. The VIX of VIX is still incredibly cheap. And this is something to take advantage of. If you're, we've now gotten back up. We're only about 200 points off the all-time high, so less than 10%. And just looking at where implied volatility is, let me pull up March. March has a month and a half to expire. The VIX is 15, and I can do an 18-14 call 1x2 and probably do that for even money or a credit. So think about that. I am, 45 days out, and I'm able to do that. If I go out to April, a normal hedging period, the 5-point vertical, so the 20-25 call 1x2, kind of the linchpin of back spread hedging is back to even money. Last month, that would have been trading a quarter, 30 cents, 40 cents. Hedging has gotten incredibly cheap. It's gotten incredibly cheap. Just kind of going through some of the earnings. Google down a little bit, kind of a meh earnings report yesterday. Apple continues to soar after its earnings. Facebook is right back to that 170 level. Might catch a kind of a follow-through bid here. And you can see Amazon has recovered some of what it ate. So all the FANG stocks look good. Really everything is kind of interesting. A name I may want to set up kind of as a long-term play is GE. GE could be a very interesting kind of synthetic covered call play. So that's kind of where I'm at and what I'm doing. And where on the day, I think that you're going to see markets probably maybe repeat yesterday, kind of spin wheels, crawl a little higher, and vol. We could be sub 15 by the end of the day, and almost certainly by the end of the week. All right, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me, 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day.